86 days until A-level maths at paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Solve the following simultaneous equations. This time we have 3 unknowns. Let's label each equation as 1, 2 and 3. First, let's just focus on equation 1 and equation 2. To eliminate one of these terms, we'll need to make one of the coefficients the same. For this one, I'm going to make the coefficients of c the same. To do this, we can just multiply the first equation by 3 so that both of these will be 15. Multiplying everything by 3, 3a times 3 is 9a, 2b times 3 is 6b, 5c times 3 is 15c, and 21 times 3 is 63. The second equation we can leave the same. These terms have the same sign, so we can subtract these equations from each other. 9a minus 6a is 3a, 6b minus 3b is 3b, 15c minus 15c will cancel out, and 63 minus 51 is 12. We can actually simplify this equation further because all of these terms are multiples of 3. So let's divide through by 3. 3a divided by 3 is a, 3b divided by 3 is b, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now we have an equation just in terms of a and b. Let's see if we can find another equation just in terms of a and b. And we can do this now by looking at either the first and the third equation or the second and the third. I'm going to go for the first and the third. In order to cancel out c, this time we can multiply the top equation by 2 so that both of these coefficients are 10. Timesing everything by 2, we have 3a times 2 is 6a, 2b times 2 is 4b, 5c times 2 is 10c, and 21 times 2 is 42. This equation can just stay the same. Because both of these coefficients have the same sign, we can subtract these equations from each other. 6a minus 4a is 2a, 4b minus 5b will be minus 1b, 10c minus 10c will cancel out, and 42 minus 37 is 5. So here we have another equation in terms of a and b. Let's write both of these equations down here. Here we can see the coefficients of b is 1, and 1 is a positive and 1 is a negative. So now we can add these equations together to cancel out b. A plus 2a is 3a, plus b add minus b will cancel out, and 4 plus 5 is 9. Then dividing through by 3, we'll get a is equal to 3. To figure out b, if a plus b is equal to 4 and a is 3, 3 plus 1 must give us an answer of 4, therefore b is 1. Now all we need to do is figure out what c is, and we can do this by substituting into any of these equations that we had to begin with. I'm just going to choose equation 1. If a is 3, then 3 times 3 will be 9. If b is 1, then 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 5c is equal to 21. 9 plus 2 is 11, so we'll have 11 plus 5c is 21. Subtracting 11 from both sides, we'll have 5c is equal to 10. Then finally, dividing through by 5, we'll have c is equal to 2. And this is our final answer.